every day. The pandemic is still there. The virus is still true, still real. Jadi jangan main-main lah because there are people that really dies and ada yang ya kami ada juga keluarga yang meninggal, ada juga yang meninggal. Jadi ini memang nggak bisa main-main ya. So stay safe everyone. Really stay safe. Wear your mask and protect yourselves every day. Okay, so we are ready to start. I would like to share my screen to you at this moment. Okay, so before we go to our main lessons and program, I'd like to teach a song to you. To your children and whoever. Okay, so this is a very nice song and has a lot of words that also are quite difficult. So we can learn all these vocabularies also. So let's just read first and follow me. I love the mountains.
I love the mountain.
I love the rolling flowers.
I love the flowers.
I love the daffodils.
I love the
daffodils.
I love the fireside.
I love the fireside.
When the lights are low.
When the lights are low.
Boom diaya, boom diaya, boom diaya, boom. So that rolling hills. Do you know what rolling hills are?
Rolling his.
Rolling hills. Rolling. Do you know what rolling is? Rolling is like guling, the
Berguling.
guling-guling ya. Berguling. So it's a rolling hills. Apa itu rolling hills? Do you know what a rolling hills is?
Rolling hills.
Siapa yang tahu? Siapa yang ada? Ya, bukit-bukit yang nggak terlalu besar, tapi sepertinya begini-gini dia kan, banyak gitu, rolling hills.
Rolling.
Jadi,
Berbukitan.
ya, I
Rolling.
don't know why. Saya juga nggak ngerti kenapa seperti adjektifnya is rolling hills, tetapi kan berguling kan, dan dia kecil. Mungkin karena if you go to the top and then you fall, you guling-guling. Tetapi dimanapun mountain, you will guling juga kan. Tetapi this is a word in English that says rolling hills. Jadi dia seperti begini-gini, rolling hills. Nah gitu. Jadi that's rolling hills. And then flowers. Do you know what a daffodil is? Daffodil. Tahu nggak daffodil?
The name of a flower.
Yes, Ibu Dewi, it's true. It's a name of a flower. Satu flower is called a daffodils. Daffodil. Okay, so begitu. And then, apa lagi? It's, wait, kok my screen is, wait. Fireside. When the lights are low. What do you think this is?
Aku suka
Api unggun.
Api unggun.
Cahaya api unggun.
Iya. It's api unggun that is already low. Yang sudah kecil fire-nya. Jadi I love the fireside artinya di pinggir api unggun. Yang seperti warm. Fireside. When the lights are low. Okay, so let's try this song. This is a nice. Oh, hi, Ibu Luciana. Ibu siapa yang Riang Waru. What is it?
Maybe
So
dari Papua.
Hello, Ibu Riang.
Halo Ibu.
Oh, wow, Ibu Riang is there. Okay, so we are going to sing a song now. Join us. If you can open your camera, I will teach you the action first. Okay, ada actionnya ini. Contoh. Wait, I will share my screen first. Okay. I love the mountains is you have to say, I love saya cinta ya. How do you say that? Saya sayang mountains, saya cinta mountains.
I love the mountains.
mountain.
Saya suka gunung.
I love
I love the mountains.
saya suka gunung. Oh ya, nggak bisa cinta, saya suka. I love the mountains. And then rolling
Rolling
hills.
hills.
Okay, you can teach this to your children.
Yes.
I love the flowers
I love the flowers
and the daffodils.
and the daffodils. Daffodils.
I love the fireside. Api unggun. I love the fireside
I love the fireside
when the lights are low.
when the lights are low.
And then the boom diaya boom is boom diaya boom diaya boom diaya boom diaya boom. Okay? Okay, again. Follow me. Ready? I love the mountain.
I love the
I
mountain.
love the mountain.
I love the rolling hills.
I love
I
the
I
love
love the rolling
hills.
hill.
I love the flowers.
I
Keluar,
love
keluar.
the
I
flowers.
love the flowers.
And the daffodils. I love the daffodils.
And love the daffodils.
Daffodils.
I love the fireside
I love the
I love the
fireside.
fireside
when the lights are low.
when the lights
Boom diaya boom.
Boom,
boom
diaya,
diaya boom.
Okay. Untuk for those that are late, untuk yang terlambat, rolling hills mungkin sepertinya kelihatannya apa ya? Air ya kan? Enggak, itu
Gelombang, like
gelombang gitu kan. Itu enggak gelombang, apa? How do you say? Hills.
Bukit.
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 Yeah.
Bukit. And then daffodils is a type of a flower. If you want to know what daffodils look like, just Google it. Bagus. Fireside is api unggun, pinggir api unggun when the lights are low. Kalau dia sudah, apinya sudah kecil atau sudah turun. Okay, so ready? Let's try. Kita coba. Apanya? Lagu kita ini. Okay, ready? Okay, ready?
I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when the lights are low. Boom diada, boom diada, boom diada, boom diada. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when the lights are low. Boom diada, boom diada, boom diada, boom diada, boom diada, boom diada.
One more. Ready?
Boom diada. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when the lights are low.
Boom diada.
Boom diada, boom diada, boom diada, boom diada, boom diada.
Okay, let's try that now without the music. Kita aja, so I can see all the face. Okay, ready? Miss Maya, Annie. Okay, ready? I love the mountains. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I love mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fire when the lights are low. Boom diaya, boom diaya, boom diaya, boom diaya. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when the lights are low. Boom diaya, boom diaya, boom diaya, boom diaya, boom. Okay. Okay, I think I need to, yang lainnya still cannot memorize the words. Tetapi simple banget words niya kan? And it's fun for the children. Even without music, you can teach them. Okay, one more time, last time, and then we'll proceed to our activity. Okay, mountains, rolling hills, flowers, daffodils, fireside,
And
when the lights are low, and then boom. Okay? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when the lights are low. Boom tiaya, boom tiaya, boom tiaya, boom tiaya. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when the lights are low. Boom tiaya, boom tiaya, boom tiaya, boom tiaya, boom.
Maybe remember
I think
Bumbiaya, Miss.
nice.
Bumbiaya hafal.
you know do you know that waktu when I was teaching there in Indonesia English, the children can forget the lesson. They can mereka lupa semua lesson that you teach them. But when you teach them songs, they never forget. Mereka nggak bisa lupa. And then the next week when you come back, when you ask them, oh siapa yang ingat lesson kita, yang pelajaran kita kemarin itu, they don't remember. But when you sing to them, they remember all the songs. Jadi I realized that kan ini kan is a community of teachers. I realized mungkin bisa nggak I can introduce songs to you that you can also teach to all your students there and even to your children. So because we are all teachers. Ya kan? Bagus nggak?
Yes, good.
Okay, good. All right. So now let's go to our activity. Let's see what is our first activity here. Let me share my screen first. Wait. Okay. Introduction. Kemarin, introduction kita. Siapa yang ingat introduction kita kemarin? What did we say? Tentang?
Unforgettable moment.
My moment unforgettable.
Unforgettable moment.
Yang moment yang nggak bisa dilupakan. Jadi, unforgettable moment. Oh, ini sekarang is another moment. Again, another moment. Tetapi moment yang apa ya? Okay. Moment yang first love mungkin nggak? No. It's a moment where, apa ya? What's the moment that we will share for today? Okay, everybody.
I love the mountain.
Oh.
Bukan ya. Hilarious experience.
Okay. Now we are going to share. Wait, how do I exit this? Apa ya? Chakra, how do I exit the full screen and see people while I show this? Bisa nggak?
Slide.
Yeah. Maybe I share in my laptop now.
Bisa nggak Chakra yang share?
Bisa. Yes.
Supaya saya bisa concentrate. Okay, hilarious experience. Siapa tahu apa hilarious experience? Hilarious? Siapa tahu apa hilarious?
Kocak, lucu.
Lucu. Okay, so it's actually it's already a very agak tinggi lah wordnya ya, a high word already in English. Karena you don't use this very often, you would use funny, ya kan? Kalau lucu, biasanya kita pakai funny. What is your funny experience? Oh, that is funny. Tetapi hilarious is actually the same as funny. Funny juga artinya. Jadi, hari ini, sharing time kita, gimana ya? Share something that is funny. Okay? Funny experience or hilarious experience. Okay, everybody say hilarious.
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 Okay, again.
Hilarious.
I will say it very slowly. Hilarious. Hilarious.
Hilarious.
Okay. Kalau bacanya kan hilarious, tapi kalau speaknya hilarious. Hilarious gitu.
Hilarious.
Jadi hilarious itu is an adjective. Everybody knows adjective kan? Tahu adjective that is extremely amusing. Jadi dia sepertinya lucu banget. Gimana ya? Hilarious. Jadi kalau mau pakai funny, if you say, oh it's funny. Tetapi kalau Inggris kan ada levelsnya, level. Oh kalau terlalu lucu, sudah aduh, lucu banget. Jadi jangan pakai funny lagi, pakai hilarious. You have to use hilarious. Oh. Wah, mungkin kalau dipakai hilariousnya surprise orang lain. Oh, kata apa itu hilarious? Itu aku nggak ngerti hilarious. Tetapi ya itulah kan kita harus pakai supaya we can use the vocabulary. Jadi ada contoh di sini. Sentence. Okay, I will read the sentence to you. Contohnya, no, Chakra, go back. Okay. Contohnya adalah, I have a hilarious dialogue atau talk dialogue with two strangers on the street this morning. Jadi saya ada ketemu dua orang
asing.
stranger.
Orang asing. Orang
Jalan.
Yang apa stranger? Yang kita nggak kenal?
orang asing.
Orang asing lah ya. Oke, saya ketemu dua orang asing tadi on the street, and then we talk to each other and agak lucu banget, begitu artinya. Jadi I have a hilarious dialogue with two strangers on the street this morning. Oke, sekarang harus baca semuanya. Practice dulu. I have a hilarious dialogue.
I have a hilarious
dialogue.
With two strangers on the street this morning.
Two strangers on the street this morning.
Okay. Jadi siapa yang bisa baca first? Ibu Disnatal, can you try? Bisa coba baca our sentence?
Dibaca atau diartikan?
Baca.
Oh, baca.
Artinya sudah.
I have a hilarious I want to strikes on to street head morning.
Oh. Very good try. Very good try. Don't worry. Kita di sini belajar kan. Tetapi kalau baca Inggris, try to articulate the words, okay? Harusnya kita effort articulate supaya benar banget words-nya. Okay, listen. I have or a, harus pakai a lah. I have a hilarious dialogue with two strangers on the street. Wait, sepertinya keluar juga ada street this morning. Okay. Harus begitu loh bacanya supaya bagus-bagus Inggris kita loh. Okay, satu baca ya semua ya. I have a hilarious dialogue with two strangers on the street this morning. Okay, yang baca Ibu Dewi.
I have a hilarious dialogue with strangers on the street this morning.
Okay, wow, very good Ibu Dewi. Wow, okay, sekarang more words. Ada lagi. Hilarious ini is funny, tetapi nggak hilarious aja. Ada banyak words in English that is funny. Okay, Ibu Cakra, go. Look, lihat. Ada banyak sekali word artinya funny. Aduh, Miss Cakra udah tidur. Miss Cakra. Nah, lihat. Ini semua artinya funny. Semua, can you imagine? Ini semua artinya lucu, tetapi artinya beda-beda loh, beda-beda. Ada yang lucu yang aku nggak bisa dengar lagi lucunya itu, nggak agak apa ya? Ada lucu yang kita mau ketawa, lucu yang kita suka banget atau apa? Banyak sekali, tapi artinya lucu. Okay, so let's try to read some words here. Miss Myrtle will point. Nggak bisa point ya. Yang pertamanya is absurd. Bisa ngomong absurd.
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 Ya, itu lucu juga artinya. Amusing.
Amusing.
Chucklesome. Comedic. Comic. Comical. Daft. Diverting. Droll. Entertaining. Wah, kita masih orange loh. Kita masih orange, udah berapa kata funny aja. Funny is already so many words. Okay, next slide. Let's learn one word again that means funny. Next slide. Ini apa? Can you read?
Absurd.
Absurd. Okay, lihat. Pronunciation-nya, the pronunciation is actually dua. Jadi bisa ngomong dua. Absurd, bisa juga absurd.
Absurd.
S pun atau Z bisa. Absurd atau absurd. Jadi ngomongnya dua, ada pronunciation-nya. Okay, meaning-nya apa? Wildly unreasonable, illogical, or inappropriate. Wow, kata-katanya agak panjang ya. Tetapi, Miss, artinya ini agak funny juga ya? Iya, tetapi jangan pakai absurd. Because absurd is, funny-nya is agak enggak bagus. Udah marah orangnya. Funny-nya tapi enggak, aku enggak suka lagi funny-mu itu ya. Nah, seperti itu. Absurd. Jadi ada sentence di sini yang tadi nggak baca siapa ya sekarang. Yang sentence kita, kalimat kita, your accusations to me are absurd.
Accusations to me are absurd.
Okay, siapa yang baca sekarang? Ibu May Risa, can you read?
Okay. Your accusations to me are absurd.
Absurd.
Oh, absurd.
Absurd. Okay. Ibu Romaganda, your turn.
Yes, Miss.
Yang kalimat bu, your.
Absurd.
Your.
Ini, Miss.
Yang ini, yang kalimatnya.
Oh iya, ya.
Your.
Wildly unreasonable, illogical, or inappropriate.
Okay. Kalimatnya, your
accusation to me are absurd.
Wow, very good. Your accusations to me are absurd. Accusations. Okay, accusations
to me
are absurd. Jadi sepertinya kita bilang, hah, lucu ya, lucu. Apa accusation in bahasa Indonesia? Accusation apa?
Tuduhan.
Tuduhan ya. Jadi tuduhanmu already absurd. Oke, jadi itu seperti funny tetapi agak berat ya. Itu agak sudah marah orangnya.
Yeah.
Oke, next word. Next word. Ini.
Next word ya. Sorry.
Next
Siapa?
word. Oh, next word. Cakra, next slide. Next slide. Oke, ini funny juga.
Happy and cheerful.
Apa itu katanya? Coba baca dulu katanya.
Happy and for
Apa itu?
Jolly.
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 Jolly. Jadi itu funny juga.
Jolly.
Can you imagine? Banyak kali funny. Tetapi artinya apa? Ibu Riang, what is the meaning of jolly? Artinya apa? Happy?
Happy and cheerful.
Cheerful. Jadi orang yang senang dan cheerful dan lucu juga. Sepertinya artinya lucu juga. Jadi dia jolly. Oke. Kalimatnya bisa baca Ibu Luciana?
happy.
Oh, aku nggak bisa dengar Ibu Luciana harus apanya harus. Oh, karena ada baby ya, nggak bisa ngomong besar ya. Ada baby yang tidur ya.
My free for jokes.
Oke. Oh, Ibu Luciana yang harus baca. He was
a jolly man full of jokes.
jokes.
Oh, jokes.
Tahu jokes kan? Joke aja, joke. Kan gitu kan apa joke? Apa? Bercanda. Begitu. Jadi he was a jolly man full of jokes. Lucu juga. Aduh, banyak kali lucu. Itu semuanya lucu. Tetapi all the words has different meaning. Tapi lucu, tapi beda-beda begitu. Okay. Next slide. Can we see the next slide, Ibu Cakra?
Yeah.
Next slide.
Humorous.
Ini lagi. Apa ini? Susah ya? Humorous. Sekali lagi. Humorous. Oke. Aksennya in the beginning. Humorous. Di situ aksennya. Humorous. Oke, jadi humorous itu bisa juga dibilang lucu. Aduh, lucunya lucu. Jadi artinya, Miss Jessica, can you read the meaning of humorous?
Coughing or it was.
Oh, coughing artinya coughing.
Oh, coughing like hurting louder.
Laughter. Ketawa, hahaha, laughter. Laughter. Laughter.
Laughter and amusement.
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 Comic. Oke, jadi begitu. Humorous adalah, aduh lucu sampai saya ketawa yang agak nggak terlalu besar sih ketawanya, tapi nah gitu. Humor. Ketawanya light-hearted. Artinya light-hearted kan agak ringan apa jantung gitu, ringan, light-hearted. Jadi ketawanya ringan karena itu lucu. Oke, kalimat siapa yang belum baca ya? Who has not read yet? Oh, Ibu Iriana, Miss Iriana, it's your turn. Can you read? Oh, Ibu Epi juga belum. Oke. Yang it was, Ibu Iriana, it was. Oh, enggak ada Ibu Iriana, jadi Ibu Epi lah. Saya udah lihat Ibu Epi keluar dari videonya. Ibu Epi, can you read? Bisa baca?
Okay, I
It was
It was a humorous and entertaining talk with Carl this morning.
okay. Humorous and entertaining talk. Itu ya. Humorous and entertaining talk. Okay. Ibu Siska, Miss Siska, can you read the sentence?
It was a humorous and entertaining talk with Carl this morning.
Wow, wow. Good. Luar biasa. Your accent in English is nice. Very nice. Okay, next slide. Next slide. Miss Chakra. Okay, so this is my hilarious experience. Okay, dengar semuanya ya. Ini Miss Myral's hilarious experience because each of you, karena kita nggak terlalu banyak, jadi satu-satunya nanti ya, each one will share your hilarious experience and try to say it all in English. Kalau tidak bisa, then say it in half English, half bahasa Indonesia bisa. Tetapi yang penting kami ngerti kenapa itu hilarious. Nanti kami nggak ngerti kan kenapa lucu, nggak lucu, harus ngerti. Everybody will understand that it's hilarious. So this is what happened to me. Hi everyone, hi again everyone. One of my most hilarious experience is when we were having our mission trip, ada trip in the mountains of Mindanao. Tempatnya namanya Mindanao. And we were riding horses. Kami riding horses. Kuda. One of our friends pulled the horse. Dia pulled the horse rope. Yang apanya? Yang rope-nya lead rope. Yang apa rope? Ikat.
Kekang.
Down, so the horse, dia pull the ikat down, so the horse bow down. Dia begini horse-nya, bow down. And he slipped on the horse head and ran down the mountain instead. Okay, so Ibu Chakra, can you stop share dulu? Okay, yang terjadi begini, my friend, kan gunung, mountain begini, gunungnya kan, mountain begini. Dan ada horse-nya di sini, horse yan. Dia tarik yang rope of the horse, jadi kepala of the horse bow down begini kan. Kau turun kan, jadi dia lepas dari horse dan dia instead of riding a horse, dia lari gini. Down the mountain karena dia lepas dari the head of the horse. Karena dia tarik ikat of the horse, jadi the horse bow down his head and then dia lepas ya atau apa? Dia keluar, dia dari belakang of the horse dan dia slide and then lompat. Dan dia lari aja sampai di bawah gunung. Kami we were watching him karena enggak serius sih. Kami tuh tawa, kami duduk aja di situ tawa karena he cannot stop. Dia nggak bisa berhenti karena mountain. Jadi sampai di bawah dia lari. Okay, Miss Dewi, it's okay. Miss Dewi bilang, sorry Miss Mara, I must leave this meeting because it's raining hard here and the connection is unstable. Okay, Miss Dewi, it's okay. Jadi begitu my experience, my hilarious experience. Bisa nggak? You can tell us your hilarious experience, funny experience. Siapa yang berani dan siapa yang siap?
Pikir-pikir dulu.
Pikir dulu. Okay, this is what we will do. Supaya you can form your hilarious experience, we will partner you, okay? Ada partner-partnernya. Mungkin 3 orang, 1 kelompok. And then together in your group, supaya you can help each other make your hilarious experience inside the room. Contohnya, gimana caranya bilang begini ya. So each of you can help each other and you make. Then later, keluar dari breakout room, then you read your hilarious experience here. Bisa? Bisa?
Hilarious. Okay.
Oke. Jadi yang kelompok saya pilih ya. Siapa-siapa yang kelompok ya, supaya ada apa? Ibu Miss Jessica, dan Miss Riang, dan Miss Luciana. Oke, itu 3.
Jessica, Miss Ria,
Riang, and Luciana. And then Miss Desnatal,
okay.
Miss Romaganda, and Miss Epi.
Romaganda,
Miss Epi.
Okay.
Okay, and then Miss Iriana masuk ke kelompok 1, Miss Marisa masuk ke kelompok 2. Jadi 2 kelompok aja. Dan make your own hilarious experience, help each other, bantu each other to help your hilarious, to say your hilarious experience. Okay, your funny experience. You have 10 minutes to make your hilarious experience. Tapi Miss Myrtle masuk ke ruangan ya. I will check you and I will see if how you are doing. Okay, let's go to breakout rooms. Miss Chakra.
Okay, wait. Miss Irayana move to room 1 ya?
Ya, karena mereka berdua aja yang bisa. 2 left. And then Miss Marisa is group 2.
How many? How many?
4 lah.
4 menit.
Okay.
Enggak, 10.
10.
Okay? Alright, sebentar. Kalau kita tunggu-tunggu seperti ini, apalah, tulislah your hilarious experience. Supaya you can, apa. Okay, now go to your rooms and make your hilarious experience. Please help each other. Oh, Miss Siska belum masuk loh.
Siska join to room berapa? Room 1?
Manut.
Room 1 ya?
Ikut.
Room 2 ya? Room 2.
Room 2. Okay.
Silakan diklik tombol join.
Sudah?
Ya,
Iriana is where?
Iriana di room
Oh,
1.
belum tombol.
Ya. Ibu Iriana, klik tekan tombolnya, Bu. Ibu Iriana.
Oh, ada room 3 ya? Gak ada orang di room 3. Aku mau ke toilet dulu sebentar ya.
Oke.
Cerita yang hilarious. Hilarious story atau hilarious experience atau hilarious moment of your life. Oke, kita mau mulai dengan siapa ya? Dari kelompok 1. Siapa mau pertama kelompok 1? Ibu Jessica, Ibu Jessica, Ibu Riang, Ibu Luciana. Siapa yang mau pertama? Siapa berani? Who is brave to do it first? Ada nggak? Saya lah yang pilih. Oke. Ibu Riang, it's your turn.
Ibu Riang mana Bu? Oke, silakan Ibu.
In English?
Try in English or bahasa Indonesia bisa.
Campur-campur bisa?
Bisa.
A long time. Susah.
Campur, Bu, campur.
Hello.
Hello, siapa itu? Oh, Ibu Oce, you're late. Okay, Ibu Riang, go ahead, continue.
Okay. A long time, I and my
My mother.
and my mother in
Campur, Bu, campur.
sedang duduk berhadapan.
Jadi,
Terus I see atau I saw nyamuk di pipi.
Mosquito.
Pipi siapa?
lanjut, Bu.
Kami duduk berhadapan, kemudian saya beritahu beliau, Mam, ada nyamuk di pipi kirinya. Saya nunjuk sebelah kiri saya, ternyata kalau dari posisi Mama sebelah kanannya. Kemudian Mama tampak pipi kirinya, Pok. Kemudian dia tampar lagi pipi kirinya, Pak. Kalau saya bilang di sebelahnya nyamuknya sudah lari.
Oke, wow. Kok lucu ya? Alright, ini apa Inggrisnya hadapan? Who can tell me what's the English of hadapan? Hadapan.
Berhadapan.
Berhadapan.
Me, I think in front of me.
Front of
In
me.
front of me.
Front of
Face
me.
it. Face to face.
Face to face. Very
Face to
good.
face.
Face to face. It's face to face. And then Inggris nyamuk apa?
Mosquito.
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 Mosquito. Mosquito.
Mosquito, Kak. Mosquito, Kak.
Inggris
Mosquito.
tampar apa? Tampar. Slap. Okay, slap. My mom slapped her cheeks. Cheeks ini kan? Cheeks. Slap. Okay, jadi hadapan is face to face, mosquito, and slap. Okay, next one. Siapa lagi? Ibu Luciana.
Okay.
Luciana, Ibu Luciana.
When we went taxi, I grabbed the order. The driver called me
Please close the door.
up, but I was confused. Why was no son? He called 3. Dia sampai nelpon saya 3 kali. Last my friend said, you use a headset. Open it please, so there is sound.
Sudah, itu aja?
Saja.
Oh, ngerti nggak?
Apakah udah benar itu?
Aduh.
Miss?
Ya, benar. Ngerti nggak semuanya? Ngerti? Nggak ngerti ya? Ngerti? You understand the story of Ibu Luciana?
Ibu Luciana nggak bisa dengerin suara drivernya nelpon.
3 kali.
And because apa ya tadi ya? Because apa
Karena
ya?
saya pakai headset.
Oh,
Jadi handphone itu kan saya speaker. Jadi saya halo. Saya nggak tahu bahwasannya itu masih nyambung ke headset.
oh gitu.
Gitu.
Jadi teman saya bilang, kamu pakai headset, buka dulu, baru dengar suara, gitu.
Okay, so Ibu Luciana said something. 3 kali. What is 3 kali in English?
Three times.
Oh iya, 3 times.
3 times.
3 times. Okay.
3
Okay.
times.
Next one, Bu Jessica, it's your turn.
Okay. Okay, my hilarious experience when young sister introduced his son to me.
In
Okay.
apa?
His son, anaknya titip entrance. Nah, titip anaknya sama saya. So I told my nephew to take a nap, but he didn't sleep until I went quiet to him. So I asked again to him, why you don't sleep? So he answered, I have sleep with old mother, kakak saya. Nah, saya suruh tidur siang, tapi dia nggak mau tidur. Saya diamin dia kan. Ini anak kok nggak dengar-dengaran gitu kan. Saya tanya lagi, why you don't sleep? Jadi dia jawab, he answer, I have sleep with old mother, Kak Rosdayana.
Jadi sudah selesai sleepnya.
Iya.
Jadi nggak jadi
Dia nggak
tidur.
Saya tidurin, dia nggak mau tidur gitu.
Ibu aja yang tidur.
Sampai saya gemes gitu kan. Saya gemes, terus saya tanya lagi, kenapa kamu nggak tidur? Baru dia jawab, saya sudah tidur. I have sleep with old mother Rosdayana. Gitu. Sampai saya diamin, gitu.
Okay, so Ibu Jessica said some words. Titip. How do you say titip in English?
Interest?
Isa juga. Actually, I don't know intern. How can you spell intern?
Wait, I tap.
Okay, please type. Okay, take a nap. Wow, that's a nice English phrase. Take a nap. Take a nap is Yeah. Entrusted. Entrusted. Okay, very good. Entrusted. Wow, very good. Entrusted itu sepertinya. Okay. She said take a nap. And then we have to say answered. Jangan W, jangan answer. Answered. Okay. Answered. Nggak bisa answered, nggak bisa answered. Okay. And then one wordnya entrusted. Wow, very good word. Entrusted. Wow, good word. Okay, next one. Ibu Desnatal, it's your turn. Oh wait, sebentar dulu. Ibu Oce, yang activity kita sekarang adalah you have to tell your hilarious experience, yang lucu. Your experience yang lucu. Okay? You can prepare. Okay, your
Miss Mira, take a nap. Apa tadi artinya take a nap?
Oh, tidur
siang.
Oh iya.
Take a nap, tidur siang.
Iya.
Okay, next. Ibu Desnatal, it's your turn.
Answer.
Please,
Kami nggak bisa dengar,
mute Bu. Suaranya di mute Bu.
Speakernya dibuka.
Ya Bu. Gak apa-apa ya, gak pernah sempurna.
Gak apa-apa Bu, it's okay.
Kalau udah sempurna nggak di sini Bu.
Ayo pernah nonton video dogs, anjing ya, dogs. Anjing menolong anak kecil. Oke. Aduh, ini kan aku nonton video anak kecil, anak anjing menolong masuk ke sungai. Pas menolong anak anjing itu ikut masuk juga gitu ceritanya.
Apa? Aku nggak ngerti. Apa?
Aku kan nonton video, snack video tuh.
Hah?
seorang anak kecil masuk ke sungai. Jadi anak anjing itu melihat kecil itu mau menolong, tapi anak anjing itu masuk juga seperti itu.
Oh, jadi itu lucu ya?
Lucu. Lucu. Lucu ya.
Tapi mungkin ada yang video kan kalau kita nonton lucu, tapi kalau dicerita nggak lucu lagi gitu kan? Benar
Yang
itu.
lucu.
Okay, Ibu said nonton. Do you know what nonton in English is? Nonton.
Watching.
Watching.
Okay, you can use watch. Watch.
Oh.
And then anak
Oh.
kecil, you can use little kid, little child, little boy, little girl. Okay?
Hmm.
And then dia apa, Bu? Lompat di sungai ya?
Iya.
Okay, so do you know what sungai is in English? Sungai?
River.
Very
River.
good. River. He jumped to the river. He jumped to the river.
River.
Sungai is river. Okay, good. And then next one. Siapa yang next? Ibu Siska lah yang next.
Sebentar.
Oh, sebentar ya.
Udah lagi nulis. One of my most hilarious experience is when I and my son learn to sing a song, Magic Flute. Magic Flute is one of the song of Korean drama Penthouse. Maybe some of you are watching Penthouse.
Okay.
Jadi me and my son learn to sing the song. We learn to sing like that. So after around 1 week after we learn itu, we cannot stop to sing. When every day when I wake up I sing. When I cooking I sing. When I'm sweeping I. My son also when he watch TV dia juga until my husband and then he cry out and he close his ears and say stop, bosan katanya. Jadi this is my hilarious experience.
Wow, very good. Okay, wow. It is actually true. Itu benar loh. Karena kalau ada lagu yang kita suka kan, we always ulang-ulang. Wait, let me find the word for you because I'm going to teach you something. Syndrome. Okay, so Ibu bilang penthouse. Do you know what penthouse is? Arti penthouse? Dia nonton Penthouse. Do you know what penthouse is? Tahu nggak apa penthouse?
Rumah.
Istilah doang, rumah paling atas.
Ya, rumah paling atas. Tapi rumahnya yang di buildingnya, yang kondominium, yang paling special, the most special and the most expensive, yang paling besar, yang paling atas itu, it's called a penthouse. A penthouse. Dan ada yang kata-kata in English that is last song syndrome, LSS. Last song syndrome itu dipakai kalau ada lagu yang nggak bisa keluar-keluar dari otakmu. Sepertinya itu yang lagu yang paling terakhir that is inside your mind and it doesn't come out. So every time you can jadi ada idiomnya in English, it's called last song syndrome atau LSS. LSS. Jadi ada bilang, kamu LSS ya, jadi last song syndrome ya. Kok lagu terus kan? Okay, next one. Ibu Mayrisa, it's your turn.
Mute Bu, suaranya belum.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe I don't lately I don't have any hilarious moment. I think so, but I remembered around 2 years ago when we were still in Ambon, and that the situation is still an horror because the earthquake is frequently there at times. At the time, we who were all in one house, what this mean? We are in an open hall at the middle of the house, in the middle of the house. Then suddenly there was an earthquake that was big enough for us, that make us surprised. And suddenly where we are we are we were all we all were sit down, mean kita semua, we I don't know. We all were sit down. Then suddenly, when the earthquake is come, we suddenly that means stand up.
Uh-huh.
Yes, suddenly stand up, and all of us rush out, scramble to get to the exit door. But our steps stopped when we saw one of our friends, whose name was Antos, who jumped with a big step. Big step in
And
one step jump. Yeah, in a step jump, in one step jump in less than 1 second. You can imagine that, right? Less than a second. And was sorry, and was already in front of the exit door. Even though the distance between his previous seat to the door was about a meter, that's make we are shocked and surprised. Oh my god! My god! Gitu kan. What makes it even funnier is because of our friend has a fat and big body. Then so when he jumps swiftly, that means fastly, with a wide enough the distance, we were so that it was make we were amazed, and we remember the Kung Fu Panda. You know the Kung Fu Panda movie. He looked like the panda, the big body. He can jump in less than a second. Oh my god! Wow! Then we don't remember anymore about the earthquake. We just made so very amazed about his performance. Oh my god, that's very good. I think that's
Oh,
the hilarious thing until now. I think
that's
so.
funny. Anyone knows Kung Fu Panda? Do you know Kung Fu Panda? Siapa yang tahu Kung Fu Panda di sini? Kung Fu Panda. Tahu
Banyak
nggak?
ya. Banyak
Iya.
yang tahu.
Tahu Kung Fu Panda. Jadi inilah Kung Fu Panda kan. Karena dia fat, dia gemuk dan bisa lompat besar gitu. Jadi makanya lucu teman ibu itu. Okay, so wow. So Merisa tadi bilang the experience is horror. If kalau ada tragedi apa tragedi bahasa Indonesia lagi? Kejadian, we don't use the word horror. Jangan pakai the word horror. Pakai tragic. Tragic. Karena horror itu benar-benar ketakutan. Jadi itulah seperti ada hantu. Nah, begitu. Jadi kalau ada tragedi dan kita mau describe, the situation is very tragic. Dari kata tragedy. Ya, gini, tragedy. Jadi description-nya tragic. Dan Ibu Marisa bilang tadi, mereka mau lay down on the floor. Gitu kan, Bu? Lay down on the floor.
Miss Marisa.
We were sat down. And then
sit down, is it?
Yes, sat down. Yes.
Duduk.
Yeah.
Oh,
duduk.
okay.
And then
Duduk.
when the earthquake is come, what is that? The big enough earthquake, and suddenly we were stand up,
Oh, okay.
stand up, stand
Alright.
up. Yeah.
Kalau mau bilang duduk,
And
sit down.
suddenly.
Tetapi kalau mau bilang flat, jadi mau gini kan, on the floor, nggak duduk begini. So you say, we lay down or lay down flat on the ground. Jadi harus bilang flat. Kami lay down flat on the ground. Then I will introduce one word to you. Kalau ada yang ada yang terjadi dan semua orang lari seperti itu dan sepertinya nggak bisa keluar dan apa namanya apa? How do you say that in bahasa Indonesia yang seperti udah gitu? Yang semua orang seperti panik dan lari. Kalau Inggris itu namanya is stampede. Stampede. Ya. Jadi gimana pakainya stampede? Tadi cerita Ibu Mayrisa dia bilang kami lari ke exit. Jadi bilang menyerbu. Jadi we were already on a stampede going to the exit. Jadi artinya kami semua seperti crowded, rushing. Nah, begitu banyak sekali. Bisa juga banyak hewan, contohnya satu kelompok hewan kerbau lari semuanya, itu namanya stampede juga. Ya, begitu. Oke, next one. Siapa yang belum? Oh, Ibu Epi, your turn, dan Ibu Oce yang terakhir.
My hilarious experience is I cry when I was the Indonesian cinema and my friend makes a video. Then he sent me when I were at work. Then I laughed at the work, and then when I back home, she disturbed me. You are so funny, man. Then I say, hey, I'm not a man. I'm a girl, you know. And yeah.
Aku sepertinya nggak ngerti, Bu. Ibu Epi, apa yang terjadi again? Okay.
Yeah, and I'm angry, but it's so funny.
Karena dia pakai man, gitu.
Yes. Then she sent the video, my video when I cry. She sent the video when I were at work.
That you were crying.
Yes, I laugh, not cry. When she makes the video when I cry, then she sent me when I at work.
Oh, and then you laugh.
And then I laugh.
Oke, ngerti semua? Sepertinya Ibu Epi bilang, Ibu Epi, can you ceritain bahasa Indonesia supaya semua ngerti?
Oh ya, oke. Saya menangis ketika saya nonton sinetron. Waktu itu teman saya membuat video dan dia kirim ke saya ketika saya di tempat kerja. Setelah itu saya pulang ke rumah, dia bilang ke saya, kamu gila. Saya bilang, kamu tapi dia bilangnya you are so funny, man. Dia seperti itu katakan. So saya katakan I'm not a man, I'm a girl, you know.
Oke, so ngerti semuanya? Ngerti?
Mengerti.
Oke. In English slang, kalau English itu ada kata yang man is actually used as an expression. So you can actually say, hey man. Contohnya kami Cakra dan saya. Hey man, how are you? Itu bisa.
Guys.
Karena itu ekspresi gitu. Bisa juga guys. Guys itu sebenarnya is also a man. Guy.
Oh, for men ya.
Guy is also a man.
Yeah.
Jadi kita bisa bilang, oh he's a guy. Tetapi kalau kita bilang banyak, guys, itu sebenarnya laki-laki itu. Laki-laki itu semuanya. Yes. And then man.
Oke.
Ada juga ekspresi kan, kadang mereka bilang in English, the English speaking people would say like this. Oh man.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Or they would tell you, yo man. Itu ekspresi saja. They would copy the
I
expression.
remember the Earth song. We love the Earth. It is our planet.
Why do you remember that now?
Hi guys.
Oh guys, okay. Ya, guys juga kita bilang hi guys. Itu sebenarnya laki-laki. Jadi itu ekspresi aja untuk semua orang. Hi guys, begitu.
Okay,
Right,
thank
yang
you.
paling terakhirnya, Ibu Epi tadi sepertinya all the words is you can understand lah. She laughed, she cried, she nonton sinetron, nonton watch. Kita udah bilang watch tadi kan, watch sinetron. In English, you can say television series. Sinetron.
Television series.
Kalau apanya, kalau Inggrisnya itu, contohnya English series ya, mereka pakai ini. Sinetron is they pakai this word, TV series.
TV series.
TV series begitu. Sinetron untuk bahasa Indonesia. Oke, terakhirnya, Ibu Oce, are you ready? You're the last one.
Hello everybody.
Hi.
I try story to I have a story funny.
Funny story.
Funny story. I have a friend. He has dentures. Gigi palsu ya? Gigi palsu?
Yes, dentures.
Dentures. And at the time, he was leading worship in front of a church.
Sepertinya aku udah tahu.
When he asked the congregation to sing, jemaat ya, to sing, he was very excited, and suddenly his dentures were knocked out. Jadi tiba-tiba gigi palsunya itu copot. Oke.
Terjadi, Bu.
Enough.
Everybody laugh, is it?
Everybody laughs, and my friend
nangis.
No, malu, say.
Oh, okay. So, wow, nice story. I think sepertinya banyak yang terjadi seperti itu kan, that we really, it's a really funny story. Okay, so Ibu bilang dentures. Dentures.
Dentures.
Dentures. That's gigi palsu.
Dentures.
Dentures.
Gigi palsu.
Wait, let me write another one. Okay, let me write. Wait, I check dulu ya. Okay, so dentures is this one. Gigi palsu. Dentures.
Dentures. Congregation.
Dentures. Congregation
Dentures.
itu jemaat.
Jemaat. Congregation.
And then when you say seperti ini kan, kalau kita bilang shy itu malu. Malu yang seperti aku malu-malu, shy. Tetapi kalau seperti ini enggak shy lagi nih. Dia embarrassed.
Embarrassed.
Embarrassing moment ini, embarrassing.
Oh, embarrassed. Sangat malu ya.
Sangat malu. Seperti malunya enggak
embarrassed.
Ringan malunya.
Lagi nyatet, Miss. Jangan diangkat dulu, jangan diturunin dulu.
Oke. Tapi
pengucapannya lagi, Miss, embarrassed. Itu pengucapannya gimana? Embarrassed.
Embarrassed. Congregation jemaat.
Dentures. Embarrassed itu memalukan, sangat memalukan ya.
Oke, seperti ini. Saya nyanyi di panggung ya, stage.
Yes.
Dan waktu saya turun, saya jatuh.
Jadi
banyak orang yang terjatuh. Jadi banyak orang yang lihat. So I can say, I'm really embarrassed. Jadi itu nggak lucu sebenarnya.
I'm really embarrassed.
Malukan.
Sepertinya aku udah mau
I
nangis
really,
ini,
really
I'm
embarrassed.
really embarrassed. Tetapi kalau kita bilang
Embarrassed.
shy, Mairel,
Dengar juga.
ada tamu di sini, keluar dulu, Mairel, keluar dulu. I'm shy, aku malu. Ya bisa. Tetapi kalau sudah seperti ini, benar-benar nggak malu lagi nih, nggak shy, embarrass banget. Oke, wow, luar biasa semuanya. Aduh, wow, itu aja sudah banyak kata yang kita belajar ya. Jadi mungkin kita nggak ada waktu lagi, udah 5:30 ya. Jadi ada satu how do you say announcement? Pengumuman announcement for all of you. Okay, before we close this, ada announcement. Okay, aku may share screen ya. Chakra, I will share screen.
Yes, please.
Okay, so we have a plan. Kita ada rencana, ada plan. Kita udah udah konsepnya udah selesai sebenarnya, udah mau mulai sih. Jadi kita mau mulai TIC Academy. Namanya TIC Academy, itu akademi untuk, ada bahasa Indonesia di sini, tetapi aku nggak pasti kalau bahasa Indonesianya benar karena ini langsung Google ini semuanya. Sorry ya kalau bahasa Indonesianya nggak bagus. Jadi akademi bahasa Inggris untuk untuk guru bahasa Indonesia.
Untuk guru-guru di
Bahasa
Indonesia.
Inggris untuk guru untuk guru Indonesia.
Untuk guru-guru di Indonesia gitu.
Ya, guru-guru Indonesia.
Guru-guru
aja.
Indonesia.
Ya.
Oke, jadi akademi ini kita mau adain kursus Inggris dari TIC, dari Miss Mairel juga, dan dibawa Yayasan Hidup Baru Ibu Roska. Jadi kita benar-benar ada sertifikat. Ini ada 4 level, tetapi ada asesmennya lah, ada asesmen dimulai, tetapi asesmennya itu untuk mau lihat aja apa kategori kalian masuk kursus Inggris seperti ini. Jadi bantulah Miss Mairel kalau salah-salah ya, ada karena ini memang benar-benar Google Translate semuanya ini 16 jam karena ini selama 2 bulan sekali seminggu, tetapi waktunya sampai 2 jam kelasnya. Jadi kelas kita, saya bilang di sini 6 sampai 10 orang, tetapi sebenarnya bila 10 orang sampai 20 orang satu kelas. Nah, itu tak paling banyak itu, tetapi kita mungkin 10 sampai 15 supaya agak efektif seperti itu. Jadi ini adalah kursus bahasa Inggris lengkap dengan semua, dilihatlah ini ya, grammar, speaking, and everything. Fasilitatornya adalah Filipina saya, kalau ada lain fasilitator, kalau banyak schedule, still Filipina, masih orang Filipina. Jadi semua fasilitatornya dari Filipina. Dan akademi ini bagaimana daftarnya? Jadi dengan Miss Chakra, I don't know, saya pun nggak ngerti nih karena udah bahasa Indonesia. Bisa nggak kita balik ke Inggris aja dulu ya? Aku pun nggak ngerti sebentar. Jadi gimana mau masuk ke TIC ini, TIC Academy ini, rencana kita mau mulai on May. We want to start on May ini. Tetapi kalau nggak bisa Juni bisa juga. Dan mau registrasi aja dengan Miss Chakra, assessment test, choose schedule, dan start course-nya. Begitu aja caranya to enroll. And then fees kita adalah 800. Ini kalau orangnya below 10. Regular class of 10 ke bawah. Tetapi kalau banyak 10 ke atas, turunlah harganya ke 600. Tetapi masih ada diskon kalau member of the community di sini. Jadi ada diskon lagi kalau member community di sini. Mungkin sampai 500 aja kalau member community di sini. Kita mau kasih lagi diskon begitu. Jadi apalagi? Nah, flow-nya registrasi mulai dan pembayarannya dicicil karena waktu registrasi dan di setengah. Bisa cicil aja. Tergantung sih kalau how you want to pay. Tetapi yang penting selesai bayarnya sebelum selesai kelas kursus kita dan bayar di registrasi part begitu. Dan ada sertifikatnya. Pertama dikirim e-certificate-nya. E-certificate artinya gambar sertifikatnya, tetapi Miss Cakra adalah kirim juga sertifikatnya ke address kalian. Hard certificate. Ya kan Miss Cakra yang ada stempelnya, udah ada semuanya lengkap. Dikirim juga ke tempat masing-masing. Dan
Sertifikat fisik ya.
Sertifikat fisik. Nah, ini goal kita menjadi fluent, ya, fluent in English, fluent, namanya fluency, fluent. Jadi ada reading, ada speaking, ada listening, lengkap semuanya. Apa lesson-lessonnya? Begini, banyak lesson-lessonnya. Ini pun lesson kita ini masih kecil ini nggak kursus namanya ini kan? Ini namanya gosip-gosip aja ini namanya. Tetapi udah belajar banyak, apalagi kalau udah kursus. Nah, begitu rencana kita here in TIC. Jadi itu nanti dari TIC, we will kirim informasi to all of you and we will also kirim to the rest of the teachers. Tetapi yang ini tetap lanjut. We still continue this twice a month. Ini free. Untuk yang mau community aja dan ngomong-ngomong seperti ini. Tetapi kalau udah mau intensif, udah mau benar-benar serious and you really want to improve your fluency atau pronunciation atau udah banyak lah ya. Jadi mau silakan hadir atau join our TIC Academy. Yang sudah hadir di sini semua udah dapat discountnya. Diskon lagi dari itu. Tetapi kalau bisa lebih 10 lebih supaya harganya agak turun 600 begitu. Oke? Oke, jadi informasinya ini agak nanti we will kirim to all of you and then you can register if you want to join. Tetapi ini nggak dipaksa sih. Ini if you just want to improve your English really intensively. Ya, jadi Miss Myron mau tanya dulu sebentar. Kalau seperti ini, akademi seperti ini, jam berapa yang agak suka orang guru, jam berapa yang cocok untuk guru-guru kita belajarnya? Jam berapa?
3 p.m. like now.
Oh, seperti ini ya, 3.
I think.
Ada lain? Is there any more suggestion? Ada yang other suggestion 3 atau 4?
Jam segini aja, Miss. Jam 3.
Jam 3. Bagus.
Jam 3 baru pulang.
Jam 3 baru
pulang. Jadi jam 4 lah ya. Jam 4 agak 2 jam. Jadi sampai hampir jam 6 lah selesainya begitu. Dan ini sekali aja seminggu. Jadi bagus schedule-nya.
Kalau jam 4 itu yang punya anak kecil mepet karena kan jam sore-sore itu pasti ngurus anak, mandikan anak, kasih makan anak gitu. Jadi mepet, Miss.
Oh, oke. Jadi kalau begitu jam berapa yang bagus ya? Kita ada suggestion lah. Kita